So ito po guys, muli po nating panoorin itong si Kuya na mayroong napakataas talaga na boses. Siya po yung na-feature natin dati. I think mga 2 beses na yata. So ang pangalan pala niya ay Jason Padoa. So panoorin po natin itong kanyang performance ng All By Myself.
Pero tayo, ikaw na.
Hinawakan ko rin yung mic kasi masyado naman ka.
When I was young, never needed anyone. Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. Living alone, think of all the friends I've known. When I dial the telephone, nobody's home.
Yan, taas ng boses ito. Pakinggan niyo.
All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself, don't wanna live all by myself anymore.
Kala ko bibirit doon. Then maganda rin yung kanyang pronunciation or diction bang tawag doon. So napakagaling po. Ang pangalan pala niya ay Jason Padoa. Napakataas ng boses. Grabe itong taong ito. Antayin natin yung high notes, pinaka high notes talaga ng kanta. I'm sure nabibirit pa ito si Kuya. May kausap siya.
When I was young, never needed anyone. Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone.
Eto na.
All